going to be looking now at a push pattern. Again, one of our basic functional movement patterns. So I'm going to have, with the ankle tether, my leg behind once again, and I'm going to be pushing forwards. So from side on, pushing here. Now this is just sagittal plane. I can transfer my weight as I push to make it a little bit more dynamic with the rhythm coming on, coming off. If we change our direction a little bit, so I push forwards and release, and then I'm going to push across the body and release. With this hand, push in the counter direction and release. Now, as I push across the body, again you want to see the pelvis twist. This is going to load glute max as it's designed to load in its full length. So we have rotation and adduction. Then as I come in the other direction and push over here, I'm going to get a counter shift from the pelvis. So again, this is going to load the lateral muscles of the hip really nicely, but also increase my confidence in shifting my center of mass around within my base of support. So once more, we have forward push, push across the body, push away from the body. So that's push and push twist. Looking at push and push twist with the anchor point. So you'll have your back to the anchor. Again, we're going to take a functional split stance position. And just starting with a push and return. Now remember, when working with the bands, your client can modify the amount of tension they want. So if it's a little bit full on for them, they can just come back. Remember, we don't want to see leaning on the equipment. That's quite important. So we're going to push forwards. We're going to push across the body without garroting yourself. And then we're going to push out. So again, we get this same forwards twist, coming out. So we're changing what the pelvis is doing, forwards, twisting into the glutes and twisting away from the glutes a little bit, which will actually load your medial knee, VMO, VM a lot better.